Guys, just quickly, I shared this and I had people asking who made the manifold and such. I'm not here to bag anyone out. I just want you to understand that what different mechanisms and changing runner angles will actually do to an engine. And by kicking this up, we're pushing it towards torque and capping horsepower. And that's because of the air velocity mechanism. Air's like a big spring. It'll coil down, compress, and spring back out. And it'll cause shrinking of the CSA of the port. So it'll make the port look smaller and also cause separation off the short turn sooner in the RPM range. So you'll get nothing, and then the dyno will tend to spike up as we sort of trick the engine as far as velocity and cross-sectional area goes. So that was my main point, and same with the bell mouths. And this is why they look funny on the dyno and don't make good average numbers, because they'll have no airspeed, and then as they start to get airspeed, that air will separate and shrink the runner. So then they come into phase, and we see this on the dyno with a poor manifold, and you see it in this red line. They'll have nothing, and then peak up. Where a good map CSA with a good radius, you'll actually get the blue curve. And you make all this area under the curve. And I always talk about area under the curve and average numbers. Any good engine builder will, because this will win races, the other one won't. And then you'll go, oh, I've got 500 horsepower. I'm only running, 11s. This is why.